Here's how to add emojis to your Samsung keyboard. Now, if you're on your Samsung phone and you're not seeing emojis, or that is an option on your keyboard, you need to hop out of here and instead go to your settings. So open up the settings app on your Samsung phone. And then from here, scroll down and tap on General Management. And then scroll down and choose Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now from here, we need to scroll down and enable the keyboard toolbar to be able to switch to those emojis. So turn on keyboard toolbar. And now I'll show you how to add them. So they won't automatically be added, but you might need to tap those three dots at the top right of O. And then you can always swipe through if you don't see the emojis. And let's say if the emojis are not in there, again, just take your finger and swipe it up and drop it down. And now you can tap on that emoji and you can go through and get all of the emojis. I hope this helps. If you wouldn't mind, leave your feedback down in the comments below. I'm curious, did this help you, or are you still running into issues with your phone? Thanks, guys.